Hey there, Profitify fam. Welcome back to another enlightening episode. Today we're unlocking the secrets of YouTube and how your favorite creators turn their passion into profit. So are you ready to dive into the world of YouTube monetization? Buckle up because we're about to embark on an exciting journey. Step 1. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? Gaming, cooking, beauty, unboxing gadgets. Whatever it is, there's an audience out there waiting for you, so let your personality shine and captivate your audience. Imagine having over 2 billion potential viewers for your content. Sounds incredible, right? That's exactly what YouTube offers. But remember, to start making money on YouTube, you need more than just viewers. You need a community, a loyal following. So how do you build this community? Step 2, create killer content. You don't need fancy equipment or Hollywood-level production skills. All you need is authenticity and passion. Share your story, teach something new, or simply entertain. If it's engaging, your audience will keep coming back for more. Now, step 3, optimize for search. YouTube is a giant search engine. Using relevant keywords, catchy titles, and eye-catching thumbnails, you can make sure your videos get discovered by the right audience. Step 4, build your audience. Engage with your viewers through comments, social media, and collaborations. Remember, building a community is key to long-term success on YouTube. And finally, step 5, monetize your channel. Once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. This opens up a world of opportunities, from ad revenue to channel memberships and merchandise sales. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to start making money on YouTube. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. But with passion, dedication, and a sprinkle of creativity, you can turn your YouTube dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep hustling and profitifying.